Amazon TradingView free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to take a look at the Amazon stock or just to check the price, go to TradingView.com, click the search bar in the middle hand screen, and then type in Amazon. Now you can click stocks or you can click all, and you want to find where it says Amazon. I recommend the NASDAQ ticker symbol. Click on it, see how it's highlighted, click launch chart. And then now TradingView has successfully opened up the Amazon stock completely for free. If you click and you drag to the right, notice you can see that the current price of the Amazon stock or ticker symbol is 184.87. A quick trick or bonus is if you click here and scroll up, you can now click and you can move down and you can see different time periods of the Amazon ticker symbol or stock completely for free in TradingView.